Now, in terms of why does the growing law firm need to invest? The reason why they need to invest is because the magic does not happen immediately. Okay. The investment in time and money, especially during the first 90 to 180 days post sale, is absolutely critical. Okay. And those steps of those critical stages during the first 90 days, let's say in particular, is listening. Growing firm needs to listen to what it is that the senior attorney-led firm did well. You wanted their practice. You welcomed them into your firm. They must have been doing something very well, even if it was antiquated. Okay, even if they didn't have a CRM. Okay, even if they are in total word of mouth in terms of how they develop new business, we listen to them and not judge them. And both sides. The senior attorney, very important, and his or her staff needs to be listening to what it is that the growing law firm, how do they conduct their business? And then very importantly, and an investment needs to happen here as well, is both sides need to adapt to each other. It is far too easy, and we see this often for both sides, senior attorney, to say, well, this is how we've always done it, and it's worked for us, so we're not going to change. And growing law firm to say, well, we're the new sheriff in town, okay, and we're literally writing the checks now. So this is how we do it here, and just swallow this pill, okay. And frankly, it just doesn't work that way, and it takes time. It takes money. We're often recommending an integration consultant to come in, your office manager, other lawyers, to really be able to deploy empathy, because when both sides can listen to each other and adapt to each other, then they can start adopting compromises, adopting how we do this together. And then that is what leads to growing together via the flux capacitor of what we see of the model of law firm sales today, which is trust transfer. And it is so important to invest the time and money to go through from day zero to the 6-month mark, because otherwise, if growing law firms are not investing that time and money to get to growing together and benefiting by trust transfer, both sides will not realize the tremendous opportunity that growth by acquisition presents to growing law firms.